In this video, we will be learning the rules of exponents through multiplication. I have here 5 examples and I will explain you one by one how to do them. So first one we have 1 over 2 x square y times 3 over 4 x y square. So in order to multiply with each other first, we have to multiply only the numbers together, that is 1 over 2 times 3 over 4, and then the variables that are same, they will multiply with each other. So next we have x square from x, so one is x square, one is x, and the last one we have is y times y square right here, and this one. Sometimes most of the students multiply x and y together. That doesn't work like this. We have to multiply the same variable with each other. X with x, y with y, z with z. So the answer for this one will be 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 4, 8, x square times x, we get x cube and y cube. And that is our final answer for this one. Next one is also very similar. Try it yourself, pause the video and try at least one step. This one, at least try to write this one and then come back and play the video. Okay, so this one will do the same way. 2 over 3 times 5 over 7. Okay, then we multiply x cube times x, then y times y to the power of 4. Okay, so we get here 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 7 is 21, x to the power of 4, y to the power of 5. Remember, we simply add these two powers together. Okay, so when we say y times y4 or y to the power of 4, we are essentially saying is 1 plus 4, and then we get y to the power of 5. Okay, let's take a look at the third one. We have here negative 20xy cube times negative 4x cube y square. So in the same way, we will multiply the numbers together first. Negative 20 times negative 20 times negative 4. Okay, and then the variables x times x cube, and then we have y cube times y square. Okay, so the answer will be negative times negative. When negative sign is multiplied with negative, we get a positive sign. So this will be positive 80. X times x cube, which is 1 plus 3, we get x to the power of 4, and then we get y to the power of 5. Fourth one is exactly the same way we do it. So try yourself to do it at least one time. So we have here is negative 6 times negative 12, then x times x to the power of 5, y cube times y to the power of 8. Okay, and again we get a positive sign. So 6 times 12 is 72. X times x to the power of 5, we get x to the power of 6, and then this is y11. Okay, y3 plus 8 is y11. So that is what we get here. So the last one, we have 3 parentheses, but the way to solve this problem is exactly the same. Okay, first we multiply all the numbers together, that is 3 times 5 times negative 2. Then we have the variables a times a square. Okay, we have only 2 a's. Then we multiply it with b. We have 1 b is here, 1 b is here. So b times b square. And the last one we have is c times c cube. So we multiply this. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times negative 2 is negative 30. A times a square, we get a cube or you can simply write 1 plus 2, that is also cube 3. Then we get b cube and c to the power of 4. That is our final answer. In the next video, we will be learning some more complex multiplications and division of the rules of exponents. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Any feedback, any type of future topics that you would like to see, please comment down below and I will try to make a video for that. Thank you, goodbye, and Happy New Year. Take care.